Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Are you diving into B2B lead generation but don't know what useful tools to use to get started? In this video, I will introduce the single best tool on the market for B2B lead generation that'll make your workflow so much easier. Let's go. After exploring various marketing solutions, I discovered the most dynamic, comprehensive tool for generating leads, building lists, and sending effective outreach emails. It's like a giant search engine and email marketing platform combined into one easy-to-use dashboard. Do you want to give it a try? You can click my link in the description below to sign up and receive a free starter plan with full access to the best features. Alright, once you've created your account, the first thing you should do is build your prospect list. For starters, the platform already offers a massive database with over 200 million accounts. If you know someone's name, type it into the Search People text field above. Or for more targeted results, use the advanced filtering options in the email finder to search by company name, job title, location, and more. After finding your ideal prospects, select their profiles. Click Save. Then choose the list where you want to store them. Now that your contacts are ready, it's time to reach out. Select the contacts you want to email and click the Email button. If you have linked multiple email accounts, make sure you select the correct sender address in the From field. Then you can write your email from scratch, paste in something you've already drafted, or simplify the process by using the built-in AI writing assistant. Simply click Write with AI to quickly generate subject lines, email content, and personalized openers. To help the AI generate more accurate content and achieve the best results, provide the necessary context, such as your company or product name, customer pain points, value proposition, call to action, company overview, and any other relevant information. Next, click Generate and wait for the AI to instantly create a full email template, complete with subject lines, openers, and body text. You can review the options, pick the one you like best, and modify anything before sending. Once the content and settings have been finalized, click Send Now to send the message to your intended recipients. From there, simply monitor your inbox to track opens, replies, and engagement. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.